Candice Olson Modern Nature has been out for a little while, but we haven't really had the right opportunity to give you an introduction. So we want you to see that these are offering you Candice's classic and timeless botanicals in watercolor. This one, she's added some more contemporary items. Look at those glass beads. You can see here how they start to sparkle in the light a little bit. Makes a stunning visual texture on the walls. Add in some Art Deco shells. Really luxurious, oversized ovals for a nice, clean, contemporary look. Stone is coming back. We've gone a little bit farther away from the geode and a little bit more towards the agate and tile looks. These guys here have the raised inks. This tree, you have seen these leaves quite a bit, but we wanted to show you that they do have some metallic inks in there. Look at these fluid metallic inks. They're raised. Oh, and this one here, this guy is a top seller. Absolutely stunning. It looks like pearls on your walls.